Hey everyone, if you want to remove the background from a video or image without using complicated editing software, Kapwing makes the process quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Kapwing from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and open the editor from your dashboard. Next, create a new project and upload the image or video you want to edit. Wait for the file to finish uploading before moving on to the next step. Once your media is loaded into the editor, click on the image or video to select it. This will open the editing options available for that file. Now look for the background removal or remove background feature. Depending on updates to the platform, this option may appear in the AI Tools section or within the editing panel. Click the Remove Background button and allow Kapwing's AI to process your file. The system will automatically detect the main subject and separate it from the background. For the best results, use high-quality images or videos with a clear subject and a background that contrasts well with the person or object you're trying to isolate. And that's how to remove a background in Kapwing in 2026. With Kapwing's AI tools, you can create professional-looking edits in just a few minutes without advanced editing skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.